The Ridgid faucet and sink installer is a multi-purpose under-sink plumbing tool that allows plumbers to work faster, easier, and more efficiently on supply lines, fittings, and nuts under the sink. This lightweight tool is constructed of high-strength material with durable metal inserts to tackle many of your faucet removal and installation needs. The tool's extra-long handle easily reaches mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers. The shutoff valve attachment turns hard-to-reach angle stops without marring chrome. It also works on 7/8 and 1-inch hex nuts. The open slot allows easy access over existing supply lines. The opposite end has a strainer basket attachment that holds the drain unit in place while removing or installing the strainer nut. Got a fitting that won't budge? Flip over the strainer basket attachment to reveal a hole designed to fit your one-stop wrench. It provides extra leverage required to break tough nuts loose. Remove both inserts and the notched ends will engage 2, 4, 3, and 6 tab basin nuts. Meet the tool every plumber's been waiting for, the Ridgid Faucet and Sink Installer. Call your local distributor or Ridgid sales representative to get your hands on yours.